Yo, what's goody? It's the Vee Family. Show us the sign. Show them the sign. What you do?
Oh, what was it like? Oh, it's my hand. I can't do it. It's the same.
It's like this. The Vee Family.
Family.
We're back on another vlog.
We thought we'll take you to another place that Samoans love.
But anyone, like, if you're Samoan or even Islander, you know that they always talk about the bingos here in Australia. And yeah, we thought we'd come here, check it out. I've been lucky here once.
I still haven't won anything.
Yeah, I won, how much was it? Like $2 grand or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we thought we'll come down, check it out. I got my mum and my grandma coming down, they'll be here soon. They jumped at the opportunity when I offered to pay for them.
That's so expensive. I don't know how people can do this all the time.
Yeah, but I've told them, anyone wins today, it's a 70-30% sort of thing. But yeah, check it out. We'll show you inside and yeah.
I only come for the food, to be honest.
Food's pretty gangster here.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, fams. What's up, fams? Yo, man, today was a fail, man. So we planned to meet up with my mum and my grandma and that, and I thought that they were telling us to go to the one in Faulkner, Campbellfield.
You were meant to tell them.
Yeah, I know. I'm pretty sure I did tell her. She reckons she didn't hear me, and so nah, they're actually here at the St. Albans one. If you don't know where St. Albans is, if you've ever heard that song from 30 Kings, it's called Businessmen. 383821. My lads, they stay ambitious. 3821. But yeah, we're here anyway. We're gonna catch the second half. So wifey wasn't too happy about it, but
Faulkner is like bloody 20-30 minutes away from us, and St. Albans is just down the road. We went all the way there anyway to come back.
it's all good. We're gonna turn it into a positive, but I'm feeling a bit nervous. If you ever walk into like the bingo, it kind of like feels like when you walk into like a new Samoan church and you don't know anyone, and then you're sort of
because
like
everyone knows everyone. Everyone's a regular.
And you're like looking for a seat, and you're like waiting for the eye contact to go. But,
and you have to be like quiet as like I don't even know how we're gonna film in there. We're meant to be quiet.
But yeah, stay tuned. Feeling lucky today.
This is the real reason why he wanted us to come. Any luck? Any luck?
Got the whole clan here today. No, we just did a machine. Olea maka next.
Iya.
Yeah. Wali akong. Oh, lucky. No, this is the only reason why we come.
Two spring roll and one chips with bacon cheese.
Hey, what are you gonna get? Huh? What are you getting?
What is there?
Oh no, honey. Yeah, I'm good. Oh.
Grab crab sticks.
Can I get 2 crab sticks as well, please? Oh, we out here with the chips. And some wicked wings up in here. Boston bun. Hello chips. So, we ain't here to munch. I got my little sister here, my grandma, my little brother and his wife. Huh? I'm silent. Alright. Was it on now?
Flyer will be coming around. It's paid in this session. Zola, a ticket for that flyer will be coming around shortly. It's paid in this session. Have your money ready to the side of the table if you would like that. Six and seven.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, that one qualifier everyone is coming around now is taking this session.
How many did you give, Liz?
1, 2.
Vertical script. The white flyer, do not pay your books. The white flyer, serial number 180408, pet machine 501001. For $500 good now, first number. 7 and 6, 76. 7 and 4, 74. 8 and 6, 86. 2 and 1, 21. On 73. On its own, number 5. 1010. 5 and 9, 59. 7 and 2, 72. 8 and 4, 84. 7 and 9, 79. 1 and 3, 13. 3 and 7, 37. 4 and 9, 49. 5 and 3, 53. 3 and 6, 36. 3 and 2, 32.
Two more left. Better luck next time, right? Hopefully I'm gonna win this one.
87. On its own, number 6.
Bingo!
Oh.
Had the camera on the wrong person.
Did I pay for that? Was it me that paid for that? Huh? She's gonna give me 40%. 40% of what that is. Mate, excuse me, put your hand down now. The winner is over here. Put your guys' hands down, please. Put your hand down. The winner's over here. I'm your manager.
4, 6, 8, 3, 5, 5.
Taking photos of me. Okay, pose. 3 minutes, $2,000. Next number was 68.
Winner, chicken dinner.
We're all winners now.
Now we're at the coffee station. 3 sugars.
It's like tiny eggs, isn't it? They're coffee. How many are you having?
2.
Two
1
of these?
sugar. 1 sugar.
My look. Oh, that's really bad.
Just look at the cash money, G. Oh. Just look. Alright, thanks for that one. You didn't know about the cool guy with her glasses. Hello, Grandma. Sick yellow, my cousin. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Suit as a roll. Short grandma in my tight. We are here with 3 generations. My mum, my grandma.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maar zie je via Lily. Hey, everyone's angry at you with your nose.
No, everyone's getting over here. Everyone full gets angry if you make a little ass noise. I've been going like this. And this fellow over there is like.
It's so ingo of you. It's probably gonna ask you for 1 ounce.
They think that my nose dripping is giving them bad luck or something.
I think it's giving me bad luck. Wow, all out?
We all go home losers. Everyone.
Not yay.
Oh, yeah. Bye, Grandma.
See ya.
Cheers, babe. Came home, we didn't win anything from bingo. Made us a nice movie. We don't need to win nothing from there.
Nah.
We just go there for fun and just spend $120 like that. That's alright.
Like wasting money like that. Let's be honest. I thought I was gonna win.
Bad. Alright, little man. Say what's up, E? Just don't fall down. Yeah, and the time right now Look at this, and it's 11:49, and our kids are still up. Wifey just working on some.
Making some.
What are you making?
Some pours for a wedding cake I got tomorrow.
Yo.
Trying to get them done so they can get a bit.
Yeah.
So they can harden by tomorrow. They should harden by tomorrow. Then I can place them on the cake. I got the alkes here. I'm just gonna.
Everything handmade.
With love.
This is sort of the stuff that people don't see, man. You know, like. You know, the long hours that the wifey does for the cakes and that. Like, it's not easy, yeah, and people think it is, but yeah, and then I cop it. Yeah, but it's all good. Wifey's good at what she does.
Alright.
Alright. You'll see more of this tomorrow when we deliver the cake and things like that. So
hopefully we can get the final look of the cakes.
this kid's like trying to scratch my head, man. What are you doing? Oh, man.
Yeah.
Tune in tomorrow, yo. Peace out. Vee Family.
I can't. Good morning.
Peace. What's happening? What's on the agenda today, babe?
So today I need to grab some flowers for the cake, some fresh roses. I'm gonna go check out a place in Mooney Ponds.
Mooney Ponds.
Yeah, it's a florist place.
30 minutes from here, is it?
I think so. I think
Oh, no,
actually
it's close.
says 20. Yeah,
It's not that far.
I think because of the motorway. So hopefully it's good. The place I normally go to is not far from us, but I just wanted to see what this place, if this one's better.
Yo. While she does that, I'm heading over to the gym. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I love a bit of black coffee, man. I know. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym. Hopefully, as you guys see our videos, my face starts going like this, like.
And then I like take it and then like.
You don't eat as much as I do.
Oh my gosh, let's not even go there.
Oh.
Yeah, so hopefully by the time I go find my flowers and I come back, Richie should be done, and then we'll be back home and try and finish up the cake in time for delivery. Because we're going all the way to Southside.
What's the time? That's about 10 to 8.
20 to 8, that one's.
Oh,
yeah.
10 to 8, so stay tuned. Vee Family! They look like it's just me here at the gym.
Just finished grabbing my flowers, so good. I found them all here at Mooney Ponds, and I'm so glad I did because I had to grab a bucket load of red roses, and the place that I normally go to, they have it, but just not as much as I needed. So here are the roses I got. Look, pretty. So I got some of the, most of them I got like the big ones, and then and I got some cute mini ones. They don't even look mini, but they're the smaller ones. So pretty. It's a bit worrying when I don't find it at the first shop and I'm going to the next one and the next one, but I'm so glad that it was the first one and I got everything that I needed. And so now we can go and pick up Richie. He's had what, 30-40 minutes? That's long enough for a workout. So now we're gonna be off, we're gonna pick him up so I can go home and finish off the cakes and let them sit in the fridge before we go to deliver them, so they're nice and sturdy for the drive, because it's about an hour drive. So yeah, so I'll insert some footage of like inside the florist. It looks so pretty. Us two Marty talking this. It's too many palangis. But yeah, keep you updated.
Yo, we out.
Why are you putting the main cake in the front?
Yeah, the main cakes are gonna go at the front, yeah.
What's the thingy like this for?
Go sideways. What are you doing?
I'm not gonna put it there.
Just go sideways and the other one can go here and we can hold it together.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Shit. Ready?
I think so.
Yo. Man. This is when my job becomes very, very important. That's beautiful. Alright man, stay tuned fams. We out here.
My track is caved out from Joe to me to shoot and score. FPIs to run that ball.
Oh my god, they did it!
This is the nerve-wracking part of delivering cakes, especially when it's for a wedding, man. It's always like you don't want to be those guys that, like those cake people that smashed the cake before it got to the wedding. So it's like when I'm turning every corner, I don't really give a stuff about who's behind me, bro. I just ride 20, man. If I go 10, I go 10. I mean, look at me. Who's gonna arc up to me? I'm joking, but
those are the cakes.
Can't get the front of it though. The front
Yeah.
is beautiful.
Hopefully we can get the setup. Hopefully people are not seated yet by the time we get there. It doesn't start till, the reception starts at 4. We should get there at 3 and have it done set up by 3:30. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah.
And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt I was wearing yesterday, but it was fresh, so don't judge me.
Actually, I am too.
Are you? Oh, swear. That's the only thing about driving slow when you're at the lights. You can't rush, you know, to get the orange light, you know. You just gotta
Take it easy.
just be legal, you know. Yeah.
First time in your life.
Got my old lady to babysit the boys so we can go deliver the cakes.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of like a give or take. We shouted them bingo, so I rang her up. You know, she knows the go. Yeah, she knows the go. You know? Oh man! Shout out to all the new subscribers.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Shout out to you
we
guys.
got to 2,000.
Bad.
Maybe even 3,000 soon.
That's pretty cool, man. Like
So cool.
shout out to you guys, man, for showing us love. That's mad that you guys keep subscribing and like comment. Like if you watch it, comment. Like I really like, as much as the views and that, I don't really care, but I love reading through the comments and that. And it's just that Cherish, she's busy with cakes. I'm always at work and that, and so if we don't reply to you like ASAP, we will eventually. So shout out to you guys, man. Fuck.
Yeah.
I love the love.
See if you can guess who's replying, because it's either him or me.
Yeah, sometimes if you guys are messaging and it's like to her, I'll try and message and act like her. Cause
I don't even know why. Like, they're not even saying like specifically to me, but
no, but that's alright,
you
because
don't have to.
see, this is the thing. When you've been married for more than 6 years, we've been together for what? Nearly 8 years. Nearly 8 years. And
No, it's 6 years of marriage this year, so maybe 7. So we've been together for 7 years.
8.
It's going on to 8. We've been together for 7.
That's what I just said. Yeah, and so I know her real well. She knows me real well, and yeah.
Do
you do. And you.
This is the venue and the Lee receptions.
Everyone wants photos of the cake. We haven't even got photos yet, so.
Delivery is done.
Hopefully enjoy a bit of the holiday. That's what we've just been done today, but yeah, we're signing out today, and
We're gonna go find something to eat, grab a coffee.
Now for the ride home, get down to 7-Eleven and use the code at the bottom of the description to get 10% off all your coffee. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, the 7-Eleven coffees. We're gonna do some stuff tomorrow. We're gonna show you around. We're gonna check out some of the markets here in Melbourne. The best market here in Melbourne. Don't worry about Victorian Market, that's rubbish. I'm gonna take you over to Lebanon Market. The Western Suburb markets.
Is it raining tomorrow?
I hope not. But
Yeah.
we're signing out today. See you
Peace out.
tomorrow. Shout out to the Vee family.